Ta-da! Are you wondering what this is? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sinami Maika and I am your teacher buddy. So before we get into this unboxing, first of all, yes, in case you're wondering, it's my hair. Yes, I'm flaunting it. It's okay to be proud sometimes. I'm flaunting it. Okay, and I'm liking my, let me see, I like my makeup, my no makeup look. No makeup look. So this look is just, is there even powder on my face? I don't think so. Little powder, lip gloss. What else? Okay, I think I tried to add to the edges, to the end of my brows because the hair there has disappeared. And that's all. And this beautiful, I like it, it's beautiful. Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful gift bag. First of all, let me start by saying that I want to appreciate all the teachers out there. You guys did a great job going through the term 1, term 2, term 3, for those of us in Nigeria and for those that use summer, winter and all. So we had a great session, thanks be to God. There were times we felt like giving up, but we kept pushing. We put the children first, and it's finally time to relax a little, even while we prepare for the next session. On my Instagram page, I have been doing a little giveaway, and I got few people to even sponsor, and I'm happy that some teachers got to win themselves 1 or 2 gifts, and that was my way of appreciating teachers, the teachers who are following me on Instagram. And for me as a teacher, I got some gifts from parents. I got quite a lot of gifts from the parents of the children in my class. But this one here, it's amazing that the parent that gave me these, a child is not in my class. I have never taught a child before. Like, I've never taught a child before. And when it came to me and I was like, who is this from? And I was told the person, I was surprised. And then I smiled because for me as a teacher, it has always, naturally, I love to smile. I smile at every parent, every child, every person that I see. I love to smile. I'm quick to ask what's wrong when you're not smiling back or when you look a little moody. And I think that has helped me to build a good relationship with many parents, even parents that are not in my class. And I was very appreciative of this because I did not see it coming at all. And when I looked inside, I was like, wow. And then I dropped it. It's been 3 weeks now, and I've not even opened it to see what's inside. I know I checked 1 or 2 things. I saw a shampoo. I think I saw a shampoo. But then when I saw Oriflame, I was like, no, I have to unbox this with my people on YouTube. I need to unbox it with you guys. And so I brought this here so that we can look into this gift bag together. Let the unboxing begin. So I'm going to drop it here and just dip my hand into it and bring out a product at a time. I'm as surprised as you are. So I'm seeing most of these things for the first time. So let's start with number 1. Okay, Oriflame Activelle. Wow, this is an antiperspirant deodorant spray. I've used this the roll-on, yes, that's the roll-on, Activelle roll-on before, and it keeps you dry all day. Like, I repurchased it over and over again back then, 2017, 2018. I used it for a while, and seeing these products are not cheap. This is not cheap. So seeing this in this box, I'm excited, I'm happy. Okay, so this is Activelle. Next one, let's see. Love Nature conditioner for dry hair, wheat and coconut oil inside this. Love Nature is a wonderful product. I used to use their skin products back then, 2018, 2017, 18, 19. I repurchased it so many times, I used to be an Oriflame fan rather, but then I ran away because of the prices. So seeing this in this gift bag for my long hair. Okay, conditioner. Oh, and the shampoo, obviously coming together. What else? What else? Let me see. Ta-da! Wow! So this is Feminelle Extra Comfort Nurturing Intimate Cleansing Cream. This is really, really nice. I used to see this on their page. So this is for ladies. Intimate Cleansing Cream. Google it to know what it means. That's number 4. What else? What else? What else? Ta-da! What's this? It's the Love Nature Body and Hair Oil. Avocado oil. Body and hair. Oh. My hair is getting a lot of love. Hair, skin. Next. Okay, this was inside here. Okay, this. Wow. So let's see what's in here. It matches my gown. Okay, what's this? Oriflame Tender Care Protecting Balm. What's this for? Let's see. Okay, I think it's a lip balm for my lips. For my lips. Smells nice. Very cute. And let's see what's here again. There's some other things. This is Oriflame Pure Skin Clarifying Face Scrub and Oriflame Pure Skin Purifying Face Mask. Step 1, step 2 for this beautiful skin of mine. Ta-da! Okay, there's something else inside there. Okay, this is a multi-purpose balm and it's called Baby O. Baby O. Let's see what this looks like. Baby O. Okay, that's the box. Baby O. Oh, beautiful packaging. Okay, it's sealed. It's sealed. It's sealed. Oh, all these products are really nice and beautiful packaging, and that's all in my gift bag. I'm super excited about all of these products, and I'm so grateful to this wonderful parent and all the parents who appreciated me this Teachers Appreciation Week that happened before we vacated. I'm super excited about all of these products, and I'm sure I'm going to love them because I've used Oriflame products before and they are really nice. Yeah. Okay, so you know I'm a teacher, so I will say 1 or 2 things before I end this video. Now, one thing I told myself, or I just got to realize, is the fact that just be yourself and do your work well. You don't need to do your work to please a child, a parent, or even your boss. As a teacher, if you're passionate, it would show. You don't need anybody to watch you or monitor you to do the right thing. And that's one thing that has worked for me. Even behind closed doors, I ensure I'm doing the right thing. Myself, I am as real as I can be. I treat every child the same way. I love all the children the same way. And Teachers Appreciation Week for me is just that week where I don't really need you to give me a gift, because it's okay for you to just say, oh, I appreciate you, we love you. Even my children, they write all sorts of notes, and that's all for me. those notes are always everything to me. So it's more of the child's art, and all of the things that their parents give if they want to, it's fine, but it's not a priority. So as teachers, let's ensure that we give our best to the children in our care at all times, not because we want a gift, not because we want to be appreciated, but just because it is who we are. It is what we have signed up to do. I hope you're having a great holiday. Okay, it's time to go. I've said enough. Bye.